The connection between gut health and glowing skin. Did you know that the secret to glowing skin may lie within your gut? It's not just about what we put on our skin, but what we feed our bodies. Today, we're diving into the incredible connection between gut health and glowing skin. Stick around as we explore how your gut influences your skin's appearance and what you can do to improve both. Understanding gut health. Our gut, also known as the digestive system, is home to trillions of microorganisms. These bacteria, viruses, and fungi form the gut microbiome, a complex ecosystem that helps us digest food, regulate immune function, and absorb nutrients. The state of our microbiome plays a huge role in our overall health, including the health of our skin. When our gut microbiome is balanced, it supports digestion, keeps inflammation in check, and helps the body eliminate waste. But when this balance is disrupted, due to stress, poor diet, or other factors, it can lead to a host of health problems, including skin issues like acne, eczema, and premature aging. How gut health impacts skin. An unhealthy gut can lead to an imbalance in your microbiome, resulting in something called gut dysbiosis. This imbalance can lead to inflammation, which then shows up on your skin as redness, acne, or dullness. But how does this happen? It all starts with a phenomenon called leaky gut. In a healthy gut, the lining of the intestines is tightly sealed, allowing nutrients to pass through while blocking harmful substances. But when the gut lining becomes damaged or inflamed, it can become more porous. This allows toxins, undigested food particles, and harmful bacteria to leak into the bloodstream, which triggers an inflammatory response throughout the body, including on your skin. Common skin conditions linked to gut health. Several common skin conditions are linked to poor gut health. For example, studies have shown that people with acne often have higher levels of gut inflammation. Similarly, conditions like eczema, rosacea, and psoriasis are frequently worsened by an imbalanced gut microbiome. Inflammation caused by a leaky gut can trigger these skin conditions, making them more difficult to treat. While topical treatments can help manage these skin conditions, they often don't address the root cause, gut health. By improving gut function, we can see more significant improvements in skin clarity, texture, and tone. The gut-skin connection, the science behind it. So, how do we know that gut health affects the skin on a deeper level? The gut and skin communicate through what scientists call the gut-skin axis. This refers to the connection between the gut microbiome, the immune system, and the skin. Essentially, when the gut is in distress, it can trigger inflammatory signals that show up on the skin. One study found that people with gut health issues were more likely to experience skin flare-ups during times of stress, due to the gut-brain-skin connection. This means that taking care of your gut can not only improve digestion but also help balance your skin's health, even during stressful times. So, how can we improve gut health to enhance skin health? Here are some science-backed tips that you can easily incorporate into your routine. 1. Eat more fiber-rich foods. 2. Fiber feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Foods like leafy greens, berries, legumes, and whole grains are great sources of fiber that support a healthy gut microbiome. 3. Incorporate probiotics. 4. Probiotics are live bacteria that promote a healthy gut environment. Incorporating fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut can help balance your gut flora and reduce inflammation. 5. Stay hydrated. 6. Water is essential for proper digestion and nutrient absorption. Staying hydrated helps flush out toxins, preventing them from accumulating and potentially causing skin flare-ups. 7. Limit processed foods and sugar. 8. Processed foods and refined sugars can disrupt your gut balance, leading to increased inflammation. Opt for whole, nutrient-dense foods that nourish your body from the inside out. The role of stress and sleep in gut and skin health. Did you know that stress and poor sleep can worsen both your gut and skin health? Stress leads to the release of cortisol, a hormone that can increase inflammation. And inadequate sleep reduces the body's ability to repair and rejuvenate. To improve your gut and skin health, try incorporating stress-reducing practices like yoga, meditation, and getting enough rest. Skin-boosting supplements and remedies. Supplements can also play a role in improving both gut and skin health. Probiotics can help balance gut bacteria, omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation, and vitamin C supports collagen production for healthy, glowing skin. But before starting any supplement, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider. Remember, your skin's health starts from within. By focusing on your gut, you're not only improving digestion but unlocking the secret to radiant, glowing skin. Start making small changes today, and embrace a healthier, more confident you. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more content, and don't forget to like and share it with your loved ones.